Hi friends, welcome to my class from Chandrika Sajanai. So today we'll look chapter 13, a shelter so high. So let's get started. Fill in the blanks. Paka houses are made of cement, brick, stones and sand. Lee is a cold desert. The Changpa tribe has only about 5,000 people. Pashmina shawl is as warm as 6 sweaters. Changpa is a tribe that lives in the mountains. Why do we need shelter? We need a shelter to protect ourselves from weather conditions like heat, cold, and rain. Shelters also protect us from animals and save our properties from thieves. What is Rebo? Changpa stay in tents called Rebo. Rebo is as big as a room in a house. Why do Changpas graze their goats at higher and colder places? The Changpa graze their goats at higher and colder places so that the goat have more and softer hair. What is special about the goats and Changpas keep? The Changpas get all their necessary things like milk, meat and skins for tents from their goats. Moreover, from these special goats, they get wool from making the world famous Pashmina wool. Why the houses in hilly areas has sloping roof? Houses in hilly areas have sloping roofs so that snow and rain slide down easily. Write about a Pashmina shawl. A Pashmina shawl is as warm as 6 sweaters. It is very thin yet very warm. Deep fine hair cannot be woven on machines. So wherever of Kashmir make this wool by hand. From where is the Pashmina shawl made? The Pashmina wool is collected from goats. These goats are found on very high altitudes of 5,000 meters. In winter, the temperature here drops below 0 degree. A coat of warm hair grows on the goat's body, which protects it from extreme cold. The goats shed off their hairs during the summer. From these hairs, Pashmina shawl is made. Write few sentences about each of the following. Manali. Manali is a tourist town in the mountains of Himachal Pradesh. It is situated in the Kullu Valley, which is often referred to as Valley of the Gods. Leh and Ladakh. Ladakh is a cold desert in India that lies in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh has two districts, Kargil and Leh. Leh is at an altitude of 11,562 feet. What is Donga? Donga is a kind of a boat which can be seen in Dal Lake and Jhelum River. From inside a donga is just like a house with different rooms. Write about Changthang. Changthang is situated high in the Himalayas on a plateau between India and Tibet. The Changpa, the people living in Changthang, keep Pashmina goats, sheep and yaks, and their day and life is shaped by these animals. So for today please like, share and subscribe my channel. For also you follow me the next Takata videos. So thank you. Bye bye.